Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Motorola. First of all, you need to open Settings. In them, scroll down and choose Security section. Now you need to scroll down again and tap on Face Unlock. Following that, enter your current login method. Now you need to read the disclaimer and choose Setup at the bottom right corner. Then click on Setup one more time. And remember to keep your face in frame. After that, you can adjust those two options by clicking on those switchers next to them, skip lock screen and leave to unlock, and when you're ready, choose next at the bottom right corner. Then click on done at the bottom right corner as well. As you can see now, when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!